How to sign up to Tokopedia. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, open any browser like Chrome. In the search bar, you can simply search for Tokopedia and simply tap on their official link. Now, once you're inside their official page, you will be able to find a green icon that says register. You can simply tap onto it. Before that, you can simply tap on this three dot and translate this page if you are having trouble understanding. After that, you will see multiple options. Sign up using your Google account or use your email address or phone number. You can simply choose the method you prefer. If you choose email, you want to go ahead and simply enter your email address right over here, then tap on register, and just like that, a verification code will be sent to you on your email. You can go ahead and open up Gmail or your email inbox, then copy the code and paste it back in Tokopedia. Or you can simply tap on Google and sign up with any of your account. That's it. With that, your account will be created instantly. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.